everyone. Today I'm here with another exciting case study regarding Google Merchant Center account suspended. You know that there are various reasons through which is why your Google Merchant Center account can be suspended, and I have discussed in various case studies regarding GMC suspensions. Today, I'm going to share a successful case study regarding website needs improvement. So, is it ever happened to you that your Google Merchant Center account has been suspended and they have labeled it as your website needs improvement? Let me show you a scenario like this, where they call you your website needs improvement, and there was a problem identified with the minimum required state of your online store. Update your online store to provide a user-friendly shopping experience. Your domain has uh, your domain it does not match the uploaded domain, has broker links or contains placeholder images, or the product details and categories on your online store does not match with the product data, missing crucial information, or lacks issues on the website. So in this video I'm going to share you on what exactly we did and how we were able to get it solved. But before I start on, let me tell you that uh, I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional. My company is a Google Partner company. I'm also Facebook Ads certified advertising professional, and we provide SEO, Google Ads, Facebook Ads management service, as well as Google Merchant Center and Google Merchant Center restoration services as well. So, in case if you are looking for Google Merchant Center restoration services, all you have to do is you have to click on the link in the description below to work with us. So, we charge very economical price to help you in getting your accounts restored. So, again, this was not a solo project by me, and this includes my team as well, because we did a teamwork, and we collectively helped to restore this account. And although this account took a lot of time to get it restored, but thankfully our client was patient, because patient and consistency is the thing when it comes to restoring Google Merchant Center's account. And you do not always have the request review option available, and in case if your account goes into the cooldown period, it can take a lot of days to get restored. And we did a manual support. We asked for a higher support because we are a Google partner company and we have a dedicated manager who is working with us. So the higher support helped us in getting this account restored. And let me show you the first of all the restoration, and then on how we did it. So let me open Google Merchant Center over here. So we are going to log into the Google Merchant Center account, and let me show the account as well. Okay, so this was the account. This was the account. You can check this and this for verification to ensure that we are on the same page. So the account has issues, your website needs improvement. So now we can check now that eventually the product is no longer disapproved. Previously it was disapproved, and now it is over here. Now it is in active procedure, and you can see over account issues. In case if you click on the, let me show you. Okay, that the account is no longer suspended, and now it's in the pending initial review. You can see that it is no longer suspended. You can see that the same account was being suspended for this. So just showing you that we also did a recent review on 18 February, and it was declined before, and then we had to discuss with the Google team manually regarding the issues we faced and the changes we did. So we gladly was able to get them restored. So the first thing was we figured out on website, and we found out that the website has few placeholder images issues on the website. Let me show you just a second. Okay, you can see like this, an error like this was a placeholder issue, and another was this was a placeholder issue, and this was a manual coding review. Okay, and this was another placeholder. So because we figured out some placeholder issues, we glad to show them like they over here contains no placeholder images or text. And then we did thorough review a thorough review of backlinks. We use different softwares, and we also manually check on the pages for any broker link errors or issues on the website. We did that so that we need to be sure that we are not having any broker link on the website, because now Google is concerned regarding the website needs improvement. We also looked on the speed of the website. I know that it is not mentioned over here, but we, when if there is an issue like a website needs improvement, then we also thoroughly go for website issues regarding the speed. And the page speed developer and the other tools we use to determine if the speed is causing issue or not. And then we optimize the plugins on the Shopify or whatever the platform we are using for hosting our website. And then we did the domain match and the address match. You can easily verify the business information from here, and can link from, like, is it cross linking with a website or not, or any issues on the website. And then we did a domain match. We verified the page links, and we went on all the pages. Like, if any wrong website link is mentioned either in a privacy policy page or any other page, we gone through that. And then we looked on the product details and categories, and then we correlate with the feeds data over here. The feed data is the products you upload over there and the feed over here. So we co-linked with the dat to ensure that any issues is over there in the feed data. And then any generic information or missing information about product details regarding on the feed or on the website, gender type, product category. There are so many things. Anything can cause an issue for regarding account suspension. Google is very concerned, very strict regarding these policies. So we had to go review through the product details and categories for compliance of this thing. So once we figured out that, oh yeah, it took us time. It's not like a minute's job. It doesn't. It is not like what I'm saying to you is going to take a few minutes, but it took us days to get it restored. And then providing clear and accurate business information. Now this was very important. In case if you have a Google listings, that is an additional benefit over here. But in case if you do not have Google listings or Google business listings, so then we have to work hard a little on this, that we are providing clear and accurate business information on all of our pages: contact us page, about us page, privacy policy page, return refunds page, because these are the essential pages. We also have to go through the track your order page and other pages on the website for compliance. And we had to go like detailed review. And then we had to check with the social media links or not, verifying the links on the website. And then providing a display verified phone number and business address. So we have again worked on the on this, like, are we providing a verified phone number and business address? First of all, I looked on the social media pages of the website. Again, by I means me and my team. And then we verified the phone address on all the pages: contact us page, about us page, terms of policy page, or wherever it is required to have those information available. And then we had a detailed discussion with Google staff regarding the changes we did, the changes initially it required, the changes we did, the changes we thought based on the other case studies and the other clients we have worked on. We discussed those changes as well with the Google team. And we had to get this manually stored. Now that this was not done through request review button, but this was done through a manual review by the Google team, which helped us in renewing and getting this approved for Google Merchant Center. So yeah, you can see that it has now approved for shopping ads and for dynamic remarketing as well. So finally the products are being approved and up and running. So this is later on I have to add to show you that the products are now being approved. See, now they are active. Yeah, it took us a time, but I'm glad I'm glad that I was able to help the client and get the account restored. So in case if you are looking to get your Google Merchant Center account restored, we provide different suspension restoration services. We also provide restoration service for Google Ads account, even for Facebook ads, even for Bing ads, and we also provide management services for Google Ads, Facebook ads, Google Merchant Center, SEO, Bing ads. So you can work with us regarding your account getting restored or management service. For details regarding how you can work us, the details are in the description of this video. And in case if you have any points to add, or in case if you want to discuss further thing, you can write in the comments box. We will be happy to discuss with you, and make sure to subscribe to our channel once again. And once again, you can subscribe to our channel, because I regularly discuss these kind of stories on my channel. So I look forward for you in like to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to click on the bell icon button so you don't miss a video from me. Thank you and bye bye.